While I have a couple grain mills that I love, I was super excited when a friend offered to bring over her mill and let me borrow it for a week. So I'm excited to do some milling of alternative grains in Jenny's mill. Today I'm going to grind some alternative flours in the Mockmill Lino 100. I'm going to start with some chickpeas. I have the manual here, and it tells me the setting to use for all the different alternative flour options. For chickpeas, it tells me a setting of 4 to 5. You can change your settings just by turning the hopper, and there's a little dot here to place where you want it. So to put it on 4, I'm good. You always need to turn the mill on before you add your wheat berries or your grains. So let's turn that on. And I'm just using a handful of chickpeas because I just need a few teaspoons of chickpea flour. Looks like there are a few pieces in there. I'm going to take the hopper off and take a look. For some reason, just a couple little, oh, it's not even the pieces of the chickpea, it's like the outer skin on a couple of them didn't grind up. So let me take that out of there. Okay, I can put my stone back on. And my hopper goes back on. You just turn it clockwise until you can't do it anymore. Now it's tight. There we go. Okay, and here's my chickpea flour. Nice consistency. This is a great binding agent to use in soups or gravies, and I'm going to use it in cookies, just a few tablespoonfuls, to make the cookies extra chewy. Now I'm going to grind up some corn and make some homemade cornmeal. The manual tells me I need it at a 1 to 2. I would like it to be a coarser coarser cornmeal, so I'm going to put it at 2 and see what that looks like. Turn my mill on, add some corn. This is simply corn. Wouldn't mind putting it up at a 3 to get it even a little more coarse. But I do like that this mill is really easy to adjust. I like that the numbers are here on the side, and it's really quick and easy to make it whatever fineness or coarseness that you want. Okay, on to the next one. Let's try some brown rice. Okay, for the brown rice, it tells me in the manual to put it from 0 to 1. So I'm going to move it down to, you know what, I'm going to do it as fine as I can. Let's put it on 0. Let's see what we get. And this is just brown whole grain rice. Next up is just white rice. This is basmati rice, and this is a great one to use often in your mill to clean out the stones. In between different things that you're milling, you can simply put a little bit of white rice through there, and it cleans the stones really well, and then you can use the white rice for baking and dusting of things and lots of other stuff. Okay, let's turn the mill on. Oh, I do need a bowl. So it still has a little bit of the brown rice in there. I'm gonna let that finish. I can also use a brush to clean it out. Okay. So my bowl under there, get my mill turned on, and add my rice. I also left the mill on a 0 as well, and the white rice is an even finer grain, really nicely, finely ground up. Next, we're going to try some chia seeds. This is actually a first for me. Both the mill and the chia seeds are a first. I'm a little bit nervous, but let's see how it turns out. This is going to be chia powder that it makes, and it's pretty useful for a couple different things in baking. You can actually use it as an alternative to eggs even in your cookies and sometimes cakes. So let's see how this works. So all in all, I am really pleased with all the alternative flours that I made today. The mill worked great. It was very easy to adjust for the different grain textures that I wanted. And all of them turned out great. I'm going to enjoy using all of them for different purposes. All in all, I'm liking Jenny's mill.